Ever wondered if managing your money could be as simple as, well, just living your life? Specifically, have you ever asked yourself, does Pocketguard automatically track spending? It's a question I hear a lot, and for good reason. In a world where every dollar counts, the idea of a financial tool that effortlessly keeps tabs on your outflows is incredibly appealing. We're all busy, right? Between work, family, social commitments, and just trying to carve out a few moments for ourselves, manually logging every single purchase can feel like an extra chore we just don't have time for. And let's be honest, who really remembers every coffee, every online order, every little transaction that adds up throughout the month? The appeal of automatic tracking is clear: convenience, accuracy, and a clear picture of your finances without the constant effort. So, let's dive into the core of it. When it comes to Pocketguard, the answer to does it automatically track spending is a resounding yes. But it's not magic, it's smart technology. Pocketguard achieves this by securely connecting to your financial accounts. Think of your bank accounts, credit cards, investment accounts. Pocketguard acts like a central hub, pulling in all the transaction data from these sources. This means that once you've linked your accounts, every time you use your debit card, make a credit card purchase, or even receive a direct deposit, that information is automatically fed into Pocketguard. Now, this automated process isn't just about collecting data, it's about making that data meaningful. Pocketguard then takes these raw transactions and categorizes them. So, that coffee you bought? It's likely going into food and dining. Your utility bill? Utilities. This categorization happens automatically, which is a huge time saver. You don't have to manually assign each transaction to a category. This intelligent categorization is key to giving you a clear overview of where your money is actually going. Of course, no system is perfect, and sometimes a transaction might be miscategorized. That's where you come in. Pocketguard allows you to easily edit categories if needed, ensuring your financial picture is as accurate as possible. This blend of automation and user control is what makes the tracking truly effective. Beyond just tracking, this automation also feeds into Pocketguard's other powerful features. Because it knows what you're spending and on what, it can then help you identify areas where you might be overspending, create budgets that actually make sense for your habits, and even pinpoint in my pocket money, the amount you have left to spend after bills and savings. This holistic view is only possible because the foundational spending data is being automatically collected and organized. In essence, Pocketguard's automatic spending tracking is designed to take the heavy lifting out of financial management. It's about giving you clarity and control over your money without demanding hours of your time. It's about turning those disparate transactions into actionable insights, helping you make smarter financial decisions effortlessly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.